Welcome to the Rockaways. And where is the Welcome to the Rockaways sign? Brought to us by the Rockaway Chamber of Commerce. I'll give you a hint, it's right by a wildlife refuge. It is on Broad Channel Island. It is the only inhabited island of Jamaica Bay, and we could see the A train right across the way. If you've ever taken the A train to JFK Airport and went one more stop, you would be here, Broad Channel Island, and there is a wildlife refuge center at the bridge that connects you over to Howard Beach. You could take the A train here for $2.75 this summer and cross over the bridge to Howard Beach, ride your bicycle along Broad Channel Island, and this is the bridge to the Rockaways. And once you get on the other side of the bridge, you will be swimming in the Atlantic Ocean. And then as ever, beautiful Queens, I love New York, time to get back on the bicycle and enjoy the Rockaways. Till next time, keep enjoying and exploring.